Hey guys, so sorry about the mess. So today what you're looking at here is a 50-inch Casablanca Panama 5 in bright brass from May 18, 1985, was the 516th fan made that day. I got it from OfferUp for free, and to my surprise, the board is dead. This is my very first InteliTouch fan. Well, obviously it is, so it did not have the crossbar mounting bracket, but it came with a retainer clip, luckily, which is always nice, and has a key for S. And this is my very first Legacy Casablanca fan, and that to be InteliTouch, so yeah. But unfortunately, the board is dead. It's been converted to RMM4 around 1997, 1999. Since the board said 1999. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the fan not operating properly. So I just got it wired, so we'll go ahead and plug it in. Oops. Dead board. So it kind of acts funky, honestly. Fan doesn't really work. Neither the light. And it buzzes. So yeah. Disconnect it now. So yeah, this fan has a bad board in it. So there you have it. That's all I got for today with my Casablanca Panama 5 in bright brass. With the new owners replaced it with the Casablanca Levitt. So thank you for watching. Enjoyed. I'll see if I can troubleshoot the issue.